Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to corn a beef brisket at home. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to start heating up the water. To that water we're going to add 1.5 cups of salt, about 4 cloves of minced garlic, then we're going to add about a tablespoon of mustard seed and a 1/2 tablespoon of whole allspice. Next up we have a teaspoon of coriander seed, 4 cloves, and about a tablespoon of ginger. Put that in there. Next up we're going to add a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 cinnamon sticks, and we got 2 bay leaves. We're going to crush those a little bit, put those in there. We're going to give it a little bit of a stir, and we're going to heat it up just enough that the salt dissolves fully and those flavors start to get released. Alright, now that that's just starting to boil right there, we're ready to turn off the heat. Make sure we give that a good little stir around, make sure all the salt and everything is dissolved. And now we're going to let it just sit there and come down to room temperature, and then we can bag it with the meat. Alright, now that that's had time to cool down, come down to about 30 degrees, we're ready to take our bag. And we're going to put our brisket into the bag. And we're going to add the brine to the bag and let it soak in there. We want to fill the bag as much as we can and make sure that we get as much air out of the bag as we can. Alright, now that the meat is fully covered with that brine, we're going to go ahead and close up the bag. Letting as much of that air out as we can. And now we're going to let that, we're going to put that in the fridge, and we're going to let that brine for about 5 to 10 days. And then we're going to come back and we're going to finish it off. And there we have a corned beef brisket. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.